Hello everyone and welcome back to another exciting video. Today in this video I am going to discuss an amazing WordPress plugin known as HTML5 video player. This HTML5 video player is simple, easy to use, fully customizable video player that works perfectly on all devices. So I am going to tell you how you can use this WordPress plugin into your WordPress website and get all the amazing features. And if you watch the video till the end, you will get a surprise. Okay, so let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard and click on plugins. Click on add new plugin. Search here HTML5 video player. So click on first plugin, which is HTML5 video player by B plugins. Okay, so click on activate. With the help of HTML5 video player, you can embed any video into your WordPress website and export multiple video formats. So there is no issue regarding that. Okay, first you have to click on add new player. Here you have two options. You can upload the video directly from your computer or you can use the URL. Okay, first click on upload and select the video. And this is the video. This video player is completely responsive on all devices. You can change its color, shape, style according to your requirements. Okay, like this. You can click on restart, rewind, okay, fast forward, progress, current time according to your requirements. There are a lot of options available here and you can style it according to your requirements. Like if I want to increase the size and I want to change the shape of the video, like round corner, if I do it 100 or like 50, this is perfect. Another amazing feature is that when you click on advanced, you will get an option like additional CSS. Here you can add the CSS classes and you will customize this video player according to your requirements. Click on WordPress. So after adding the video player, you will get a short code and you can use this short code into your page like this. Go to pages and all pages, click on sample page, click on edit with Elementor. Click on plus, select the container and add here short code. Drag and drop here. Paste the short code, apply changes, update, and then preview changes. So this is how this video player looks on your WordPress website. You can play this video and here you can increase the volume, decrease the volume, settings, each and everything. You can hide all these controls. It's up to your requirements. Okay, and you can change also the colors, features, each and everything according to your requirements. So this video player is completely responsive, customizable, and easy to use. So these are the features you will get in the free version of HTML5 video player. Now let's move toward the premium version of HTML5 video player. Okay, so go back to your WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, and here you have to deactivate the HTML5 video player. And now we are going to install the premium version of HTML5 video player. Click on add new plugins and here click on upload plugin, choose the file and install now. It will take some time. Click on activate plugin. After exploring the amazing features of HTML5 video player, if you want to buy the premium version of HTML5 video player, you can click on the description link and use the promo code HAFSA and you will get 10% discount on every single purchase. Okay, so let's discover the premium version of HTML5 video player. So we have to activate the premium version, like activate license. After activating the premium version of HTML5 video player, click on add new player and now we have the amazing options. Now we have three options like video, YouTube and Vimeo. Okay, like you can add the YouTube video URL here and click on apply, and your YouTube video is embedded into your WordPress website. Okay, like I wanna embed my video. For example, I select this video. Now pause the video, copy the URL and paste it here. Click on apply. Now change the title. Like you can add title of YouTube video. T must be capital. Okay, then publish it. Video is not currently shown here because of I'm running WordPress on localhost. Okay, so we have to click on WordPress and go back. This is the shortcode of the video and you can use it to embed it in your page. Now click on all pages, select the sample page, click edit with Elementor. Search here HTML5 video player. You can directly use this, and now we have to select the video. This is now we have to select the poster like of YouTube videos. This is known as thumbnail, and this is it. Okay, next we can customize it according to our requirements. Like there are multiple options available: repeat, muted, autoplay. Okay, you can click on autoplay, like when the video finish it automatically plays. You can select the option sticky on scroll, like when you scroll the page the video remains its own place. You can change the start time, enable pop-up, like disable pop-up, reset on end, each and everything according to your requirements. Auto hide control, like the controls are not visible if you want to hide them. And then you can also set the password here. Another control option, you can use it according to your own will. Next we have the branding option. You choose overlay, position. Next we have end screen option. You can select it by adding any text or button at the end of the screen or URL. You can see in the YouTube, when the video finish, another screen appears and this is representing another video. You can click and watch this video. Okay, next we have subtitle caption. You can select the language, upload the file. Okay, add another item. It must be according to your own will. There are a lot of options available. You can make the chapters of your video so that user can see it according to their needs and give the user best experience. You can also add the text here at the bottom or the top of the video. You can set the video also in the header of your website. Okay, like copy this text, select the text editor, paste it here, and that's it. Now click on update for save the changes. Now preview. Now this is the page, and when you scroll it, it's completely fine. Now we can check its responsiveness. We can test it on different screen, like search the website bplugins.com, scroll the page, and here you will have HTML5 video player. Click on explore, click on buy now, and these are the pricing plans. This HTML5 video player has amazing features you will definitely enjoy. If you want to buy the premium version of HTML5 video player, you can find the link in the description. Click on it and use the promo code HAFSA. You will get discount. Okay. This HTML5 video player is highly customizable with lots of flexible feature. You will definitely enjoy. Go and check it out. If you find this video helpful, click on the subscribe button for more content. If you have any question, put it in comment section. I will definitely reply you. And for now, happy learning.